Hi everyone, today I'd like to introduce my current regeneration project, and I call this project the Water and the Soil, and it is a project about how to use or introduce indigenous knowledge to improve a site or environment on site. And so, as we know, this is a story about the grand regeneration. Now we got our site. This is a beautiful land near Melbourne, and owned by some Wurundjeri people. But there's still some of the problems contained on site. Uh, for example, there are some of the disconnections between people and the land because of some history problems, and also have some potential pollution issues because of the chemicals from the upper veneries. And the change the ecosystem also cause the problems because the invasive species just change the site, uh, not like the original environment, maybe in centuries ago. And then I try to use this operation operational knowledge to find if there are some of the potential outcomes or potential solutions to these problems. At first, I try to identify the different of issues on site. So, for example, there are some of the pollutions from upper veneries. As a result, the chemicals carried by water might take some of the negative impacts to Kuranda community. And then we can find that water use is another problem because the more water that the community used for the regeneration project, and the more fees the community need to pay to the water corporates. Then the decrease of water causes another problems, the erosion, because of lacking of planned root systems on sites, and then the rainfall can easily wash nutrition on site out to the river. As a result, the erosion problems just appears on site. And there is gaps among people and land as well because some of the historical problems, as we know, Wurundjeri people they settled down in Kuranda in 19th centuries, but just a few decades later, they were enforced, evaded to several different communities. As a result, there might cause some gap or disconnection between people and the land. As a result, I try to use a water channel that inspired by Bujibin water trap, uh, and introduce these water channels to the Kuranda community, and with some of different function, and like maintaining the wetland inside the community, or the helping to preventing pollutions that comes from the veneries. So in my project, there is some of the function blocks that were installed with the water channels, and that will help to remove or help to prevent the potential problems come from outside of the land. And after this regeneration project, we got the native species reflourishing, and we also got a healthier water body and a higher water level, and that can help to support the sustainable agriculture on site. And there's some of the perspective weave, and that shows how this site changed step by step, and in the end of the day, we got functional water channel, and that helps to maintain the beauty and the healthy of the land. So this is my presentation. Thanks for your listening and watching.